AWS Sumerian. Amazon Sumerian is a web-based platform that enables the creation of immersive and interactive 3D experiences for virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR, devices. It is a tool that allows developers to create VR and AR applications without having to write any code. With AWS Sumerian, developers can create realistic and interactive virtual environments that can be used for various applications such as training, education, entertainment, and e-commerce. In this primer, we will discuss the main features of AWS Sumerian, how to use it to create VR and AR applications, and how it compares to other VR and AR development tools. Features of AWS Sumerian. Web-based platform. AWS Sumerian is a web-based platform, which means that developers can access it from any computer with an internet connection. This makes it easy to collaborate with other team members and work on the same project from different locations. Drag-and-drop interface. The platform has a drag-and-drop interface that allows developers to create virtual scenes and add 3D objects, textures, and animations without having to write any code. Cross-platform support. AWS Sumerian supports a wide range of devices including VR headsets, smartphones, and tablets. This allows developers to create applications that can be used on different platforms. Integration with other AWS services. AWS Sumerian can be integrated with other AWS services such as Amazon Polly for text-to-speech conversion, Amazon Lex for natural language processing, and Amazon DynamoDB for database storage. Asset library. AWS Sumerian has a built-in asset library that provides developers with access to a wide range of 3D models, animations, and textures that can be used to create virtual scenes. Collaboration tools. AWS Sumerian provides collaboration tools that allow developers to work on the same project simultaneously. This feature makes it easy for teams to work together and share ideas. Analytics. AWS Sumerian provides analytics that allow developers to track user interactions with their applications. This information can be used to improve the application and make it more engaging. Creating VR and AR applications with AWS Sumerian. Creating a VR or AR application with AWS Sumerian involves the following steps. Create a new project. To create a new project in AWS Sumerian, developers can either use a template or create a new scene from scratch. Add 3D objects. Once the scene is created, developers can add 3D objects to it from the asset library or import their own objects. The objects can be resized, rotated, and positioned using the drag-and-drop interface. Add animations. Developers can add animations to the objects in the scene using the animation editor. The editor allows developers to create complex animations using keyframes and curves. Add interactivity. Developers can add interactivity to the objects in the scene using the visual scripting editor. The editor allows developers to create complex interactions between objects without having to write any code. Test the application. Once the application is complete, developers can test it using the built-in preview feature. The preview feature allows developers to test the application on different devices and platforms. Publish the application. Finally, developers can publish the application to the web or to a VR or AR device. AWS Sumerian provides an easy-to-use publishing feature that allows developers to publish the application with just a few clicks. Comparing AWS Sumerian with other VR and AR development tools. There are several VR and AR development tools available on the market, including Unity, Unreal Engine, and Vuforia. Here are some of the main differences between AWS Sumerian and these tools. Ease of use. AWS Sumerian has a very user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy for developers to create VR and AR applications without having to write any code. On the other hand, tools like Unity and Unreal Engine require developers to have some programming knowledge. Platform support. AWS Sumerian supports a wide range of platforms, including VR headsets, smartphones, and tablets. Unity and Unreal Engine also support multiple platforms, but Vuforia is primarily designed for mobile devices. Integration with other AWS services. AWS Sumerian can be integrated with other AWS services, such as Amazon Poly and Amazon Lex. This allows developers to add advanced features like natural language processing and text-to-speech conversion to their applications. Other tools like Unity and Unreal Engine do not have built-in integrations with AWS services. Asset Library. AWS Sumerian has a built-in asset library that provides developers with access to a wide range of 3D models, animations, and textures. Unity and Unreal Engine also have asset stores, but Vuforia does not have a built-in asset library. Collaboration tools. AWS Sumerian provides collaboration tools that allow developers to work on the same project simultaneously. Unity and Unreal Engine also have collaboration features, but Vuforia does not. Pricing. AWS Sumerian is priced based on usage and storage, and there is no upfront cost. On the other hand, Unity and Unreal Engine have a licensing fee, and Vuforia has a usage-based pricing model. Conclusion. AWS Sumerian is a powerful tool that allows developers to create immersive and interactive VR and AR applications without having to write any code. Its drag-and-drop interface, collaboration tools, and integration with other AWS services make it a popular choice for developers looking to create VR and AR applications. While there are other VR and AR development tools available, AWS Sumerian stands out for its ease of use, platform support, and built-in asset library. If you are interested in creating VR and AR applications, AWS Sumerian is definitely a tool worth considering.